just dropped the most practical AI release of 2025. It handles your emails, data, docs, meetings, and does it with context. This is AI that actually saves time. Here's everything they announced and why it matters for your team.
We are scattered all over the globe. It's just bonkers to try to get everyone to collaborate.
Keeping up with my email has always been really difficult.
Is there anything more intimidating than a blank white page?
But where do you begin?
It's more important than ever that you have tools to work more quickly and efficiently together. Using Help Me Write, we're able to save 35 hours a month for product descriptions for our website.
We are leveraging Meet to take notes, summarize them, and generate action items after the meeting so that we can be really present and focus on the content.
When you're developing a deck or a pitch for a client and you're coming up with ideas and you need to visually manifest those ideas, that used to take days. And now with the right prompts, we can do that in hours.
We have to worry less about security because we know Google has our back.
So security played a big part of the decision to move from the legacy on-premise tool set to Google Workspace.
The impact of Gemini for Workspace in our business has been really transformative.
Number 1, Workspace Flow.
Let's start by creating a new flow to keep track of incoming feedback. We'll do that by creating a flow that notifies the team via chat when a form response is submitted. Then we'll add a step to post in a space and choose our customer service space, so I and other reps see the alert. We could add in our message and email address submitted in from the form. We hit save, and there you go. Now the team will be notified whenever there's new form entries, but that doesn't help us identify and prioritize support issues. Luckily, we can do more. This time, we'll ask Gemini to look for customer complaints or requests, and ask Gemini to summarize the feedback, and then prioritize form responses as high, medium, or low. Then post those results to the chat space. Much more useful, right? We can even get help responding to the customer. I've created a gem, which is a customized AI expert you can train with specific context in Gemini. This one is my customer service helper, and it has access to all our product information and support policies. I create steps for my gem to review the customer issue, check our product documentation for solutions, and even review approved offers that I can send the customer to make things right. Our gem can pull this information into an email draft in Gmail. And now all I need to do is review the draft, confirm everything looks good, and send it off to our customer.
Number 2, Audio in Docs. Number 3, help me refine in Docs. Number 4, Sheets on-demand data analyst. Number 4, Google Vids generates original video clips. Number 6. Meet is your new in-call advisor. Number 7. Gemini comes to Google Chat. Number 8. Data privacy and residency options. So you want to see how this works, right? Now, go to workspace.google.com. This isn't just AI for show, it's AI for flow.